all the big business people that were doing good at that time, this man called Rollins didn't see them worthy. Or science so crowd then state institutions say schools are here, correct schools, University of Winnipeg, the idea Ninano. The same Rollins said, and I quote Rollins, or say, Obia Onima Diabiano or a threat to society. So do you know why NDC is always against free education? Because Obia Onima Dian, who to me one chrono. Is somebody getting it? Rollins said, Obia Onima Diabiano or a threat to society. Sesana Rollins say Kadia. Name the American catch no Gentia Rollins cars and because Rollins himself, Quasianitia, Agrobeya den Ebegu. Rollins himself, send Crawford to Miss Yes, you had dear Cabro to send your no canna or Bano Bechan Tura, fed the Yentia assent, no qua, you meant the deliverables or de Bano, Naya Jintino. He made sure say, oh, close to education services in Ghana. Now, I will someone a woman say, yeah, Papa Rollins, may he so rest in peace, if there is peace where he is. Oh, yes, I am away now. There are both the same woman say, or no, no, my dear, would you Ghana for they be a me Bejinaka sometime, Mamma Yenny Pabone, or no, no, my dear, or to me, ye Ghana for Sika. Ebiomuko Koko schools were broached. Ghana International School, Association International, they say graduate and said that Papa View, Jack and Jill, correct schools for the same person who claimed educating people was a threat to society. So he chased away all our academians. Academia for and come to me, yeah, the policy bar, and come to me at Tremnan Crawford Tiasiano. Rollins nim say, Omo be church dear Munan Crawford who dear continue or Tatas and Crawford. And this is a fact. Then the same Rollins takes money, educates all his kids. Rollins baby and one go school. Nana Kuredu Ajima Rollins, no. Nemba be one go school and do the highest level. He cannot say we're back for 31st December Women's Movement. We're back for Veranda Boys. We're back for Kwashe Boys. We're back for Erika Pomia. Kubola life for Yan NDC for some mobile. Now, some of you can NDC for Jay. Me pa joma wa dia da me ko wi. And na dia brochire nti afele kakra. Your friend Rollins chain. Me pa jo nim de nti a omo friend Rollins chain no. Metro mu 1990 man mu ntie nyansa. Ya papa Rollins ba ye no. No say or no bema obia die we sikani o we yan you become equal. But they be make us a critical thinking on a hard Ghana for because mommy papa and I know can say shawonsa we any air 5 but nini na nyepe na onyankopon so a obo na de no onim ne enti o ma bi e tintin and the be etietia. He knows the reason why. And this will be back catch us so bet me am sansa we ni na ye pa see the who e tro. But that time no ni nim. That time no ne ye nim. Obi osi ono aba said ye be ye aduane bebu. Obi osi ono aba said ye be ye obi abedi ye obi abeye level no. Okono jay Rollins chain. Rollins okono 1983 84 for no. Ye ni na ye ayewo e sa time ni na mema ni bebire ye nya akosoko mi say na me ka ho. Ye ayewo ye sa time no. Ye ba ye kosoko so the edu kosoko ba ni malnutrition. Adentia because your promising ye say sremufu ni mi nyansa ye dibu man. Enti ye mpom liman na ye fo no mra no. No ano beba mema ye aduane adi no. O me kom de ye ama sabi entini eduantini. Na sabi egro te se banche. Eno ena na ni petutu. No ma konoa edi. It's a fact. We are 1990 ba same we hu. But ask your mothers. I tell you people say if you people study the history of NDC, you would never allow any NDC person to come and campaign in your house. I always say you the record neka anka NDC ni obia oba ufie na wo kraman ya sane kraman ni kunu so because obedada. Sane kraman ni ku NDC ni no so ma won kraman pamo no se sebe Johnson we gina wo da mu a but modern fa to kro mu ho na hie gu obanim na mo fa mo be ye free onko ko so mo nya bi papa omo ya man bofo obedada ye no se PNDC and no set task forces with human and no started diversity investiture eho PNDC NDC ho no started ye no and almost started so ye den and japade na mo sorry amudi tu me ho and crimeja ship and crimeja plane and crimeja say that was the time His Excellency John Jerry John Rawlings squandered everything. Company be out on here. Every company that was bringing Ghana something, he sold all. Black Star Ship Line, gone. Find it on here. It's them. Sometimes near our Black Star Ship Line, which is an Cobra or T near the idea, and every river, net that Ghana piano, sebi, near war, ship wa, ye dear tono so. Now, only any just somewhere womb. Well, Nigeria, South ship we are making, no been an Nigeria for renting. To look at the country like Nigeria. Omu rente, no more the action, maniama. Tata Brewery. Just say so many good stuff and Krumeja in Nano. PNDC, NDC, and a beton in na sebi onye beifua. Sebi onye beifua. Onye party a sebi modie yen kamo jengu, yen sayadie, and na opa. Eye den na yede ebusuya eja padie eja na waton ebusuya eja padie no yo yate ebi aho kire ba yenti na woton ye yo yate udi scan ye den a ye di scan ye ya ye hu ye. I listened to Chairman Rawlings getting angry at Felix Ofosu-Kwakye for after election buying a $3 million house, 2 houses, 1.5 each, him and his wife. And I was laughing in my head because Mr. Joe Sifu, if you are watching, he took me to the story you told me about the tobacco company. Just say, what share their way of thinking now? Who the father with mommy? Yeah, dear Busia, don't let me even divert. Yeah, dear Busia,